I already said that. How many times am I going to repeat the same thing? Oh boy. Okay. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a swatch video for you on these nail polishes from MoonShine Mani. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her upcoming collections, and today I will be showing and swatching you these 3 polishes which will be releasing on August 28th. One of them is her Facebook group exclusive. I will leave for you the details in the description box. I'm still awaiting some details from Phoebe at the time when I'm filming this video, so I do not have everything, but I will definitely link for you the dates and all the information that you need in the description box. And then we have a MoonShine Mani Comeback polish, and we also have a Team polish. That's my very first one that I received for review, so I am very excited to share with you all 3 of these polishes. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, I think I will skip into the swatch portion. I typically really like Phoebe's nail polishes, so if I do have any issues with any of them, I will definitely link it somewhere so that you are aware of it. But for the most part, all of her polishes are 2 to 3 coaters and they have excellent formulas. I hardly ever had a polish from her that would have given me any trouble or difficulties. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. If you do have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section. And now I will jump on to the swatch portion. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.